All right, folks, we're back. Audio Vice Live 2025. We're here in the Lyngdorf room, or the Lyngdorf Experience room, and we're standing here with Lee. Lee, let the folks know at Genius Home Theater what you brought to Audio Vice Live 2025, and just kind of show us around the room.
Sure. Hey, everybody. Well, here we're mainly focusing on a couple of newer products, our FR2 tower speakers, which are unique in that they're designed to be placed against the wall. They're actually voiced that they don't sound boomy and still give you the proper sound balance up against the wall, which is great when you don't want the room to be, taken over by the speakers. We're also showing, this is the North American debut of our new TDAI 2210. This is the middle of our integrated amp range. Same features as the rest of our family. Everything has our room perfect room correction in it, which is a little different than a lot of other people do. We're actually looking at the reflections and all the time delay in the room, not just the frequency response. So we do it a little different. All of our products have that from our integrated amplifiers into our surround sound processors. This is one of our pure digital amplifiers. Everything stays digital the whole way through, including the volume control. We're not actually affecting the inbound signal or affecting the output rail voltage. This piece is 210 watts, which is per channel, which is kind of funny when you call it the middle of the range, but we start at 120 watt per channel unit in the baby, up to a 400 watt per channel unit at our higher end. And we deliver up to 40 amps of current in that big piece per channel too. So we actually tell you about that because we put pretty crazy power supplies in this stuff. By the way, we're a Danish company. Everything we do is designed, manufactured, and engineered in Denmark. Probably a lot of people know something about us because our founder, Peter Lyngdorf, has been around forever. We owe room correction to him. He was the origin of that. We owe digital amplification to him. He is the origin of that. There's a lot of other brands he's been tied to that he's been around a while, but we're our namesake.
And I was going to ask, where did I hear the name Lyngdorf before? Because I walked past this room and I said, I know that brand, but I don't know it well. So let me go check out and see what they have. You bought a bunch of things here that we can't see, but we will show you. But kind of explain what you did bring with you, because the folks at home are going to be able to see what you did bring, even though they won't see it while we're speaking today. So
no problem.
Let them know what we're seeing in this room. I see some look like some in-wall stuff. I see some other maybe amplifiers over there.
So with us, we have all three of our integrated amplifiers, again, from our baby piece at 120 watts a channel, to the mid piece at 210, to the big piece at 400 watts a channel. We have one of our two surround processors in the Lyngdorf line. That's the MP60, which even has the card slots for DCI and AES, as well as our new 8-channel power amplifier. It actually just got a big review in Stereophile. It seems odd for a home theater amplifier, but we're based in audio. Like our surround processor is an audio preamp that happens to do surround sound. Our multi-channel amplifier is a new Purifier amp chips. That's another Peter Lyngdorf company. That's a 400 by 8 amplifier. If that's not enough power for it, it's bridgeable to 4 channels at 800 watts a channel. So if you want gobs of power, we got you, and it's good sounding power. So all those are over on the table. I do have our small subsat package sitting over there as well. And I have one of our Steinway Lyngdorf speakers. It's one of the in-wall speakers. I couldn't bring the 8-foot tall monoliths with me.
They wouldn't fit in the car. In-wall?
Well, no, that's a Steinway product. That's one of our big 8-foot tall dipoles. So Steinway is a Lyngdorf company also. Steinway Lyngdorf speakers. That I don't have any of that with me because I physically couldn't fit it.
All right. Well, that's cool. That's cool. This is North Carolina, and this is Audio Vice Live, but Denmark is in the house. So I want to thank Lee again for giving us a few minutes of his time.
You bet.
But now you know someone from Denmark. I don't know if you're from Denmark.
I am not.
You are not from Denmark, but you know someone from a company that is based out of Denmark, and that's Lee. And you also know that this is Genius Home Theater, and my name is Ron, and I will see you on the next one.
Right there.
I have to watch your YouTube video now. That's cool.
He was the peanut gallery for the video.